A big change this week for Baltimore City students. For some, Monday will be their first time that they've ever been unmasked inside of their schools. Hello everyone, I'm Jason Newton. Welcome to 11 TV Hill. The country appears to be making some strides controlling the pandemic. According to the CDC's newest community transmission data, nearly 73% of the U.S. population lives in an area considered to have low transmission rates. That includes every jurisdiction in central Maryland. Garrett and Allegheny counties are the only two with what the CDC considers to be medium levels of community spread. The agency determines those rates based on hospital admissions, hospital bed usage, and the total number of new COVID cases per area. Now, despite these improving trends, the world still has a ways to go before we reach COVID's endemic phase. That led the TSA to extend its mandatory mask requirement for at least another month through April the 18th. Initially, the order was set to expire on March 18th. The CDC is working on new guidance to determine the frameworks for when masks should still be worn. But tomorrow, masks will be optional inside of Baltimore City Public Schools. The city is the last school district to ease that mandate. 11 TV Hill contributor Tommy Clark spoke with the district's chief of staff and a pediatrician. And in this morning's cover story, she has what families should expect inside of schools.
We've been watching as lots of school systems across the state of Maryland have been shifting to mask optional policies, and come Monday, Baltimore City schools will join them. That means the hallways may look a little different, especially for students who've only known masks in class. Chief of Staff Allison Perkins Cohen says the district did take that into account when making the decision.
For young people in particular, young learners, wearing a mask and not being able to see people sounding out letters is really hard for early learners, students learning to read, not being able to see facial expressions.
One reason why Baltimore City Public Schools is initiating the policy change, along with low community transmission rates. It's the first time since August that city students will have the option to wear a face covering. And they're among the last school system in the region to do so. Perkins Cohen says that's because they wanted to give people time to adjust.
We always want to make sure we're in tune with our families and that we're hearing from our families and our staff. We've been very thorough about our health and safety measures. We have some of the most comprehensive health and safety measures in the state and in the country, frankly.
Still testing about 50,000 staff and students every week.
Even though there's not a mandate, it doesn't mean it's not helpful to wear them.
Pediatrician Dr. Rebecca Rabin recommends families first assess their comfort level, then seek out guidance from their pediatrician if still deciding whether to send their child to school with a mask on Monday.
Well, I think it's really dependent on everybody's circumstance. There may be families that have more vulnerable people at home. There are certainly families that have children that are too young to vaccinate.
Dr. Rabin says the vaccine is still top of mind for many of her patients. Her reminder, vaccination protects kids so they don't bring illness home from school or to the classroom.
The vaccines have proven very effective, have similar safety profiles to the current childhood vaccines that we provide.
Perkins Cohen says advisory time and other meetings may be used to talk to students about the importance of deciding what is right for them.
We are also going to be talking to students about this being a choice and that individuals make choices and that we have to support individuals in their choices.
For anyone who's been in contact or is recovering from COVID-19, those people must still wear masks inside school buildings. For now, reporting in Baltimore for TV Hill, I'm Tommy Clark, WBAL TV 11 News.
Tommy, thank you. Now from the city to the county. After 2 years, Baltimore County parents are now allowed back inside of school buildings. All visitors and volunteers still have to follow COVID safety protocols. Also, unvaccinated students and staff do not need to take weekly COVID tests for extracurricular activities. The district is lifting all spectator capacity restrictions for spring athletic events and other after-school activities. High schools plan to host traditional end-of-year celebrations. The county will review and adjust COVID protocols as needed.